17, clear for takeoff runway 06.
EVA's 777, a new generation. Only EVA's Premium Laurel class gives you an exclusive VIP experience. With close attention to detail, EVA offers the most comfortable journey in the air. EVA's elite cabin is designed to give you more personal space. Even the longest journey is easy and relaxed. EVA's economy cabin gives you all-around great service, making your travel with EVA a pleasure. Whatever your travel needs, our thoughtful service in whichever one of our 3 comfortable cabins you choose will make you feel at home. A warm, cozy, and elegant journey will stay in your memory. Sharing the world, flying together.